You love that stinking horn, don't you?
Yes.
Okay, let's start the car. You excited? You gonna go for a ride?
Yeah. One more time.
Rocky Mountain Race Week Live. Found out what a bunch of second gear launches does to a clutch. Not the best condition. Looks like the flywheel is going to be able to get resurfaced. It's not terrible. It's not amazing. This piece comes off and you can resurface it, so that part I'm okay with. The clutch is shot. This thing... Look at that. There's literally boiled clutch material in there. Check this out. That's not good. That's the noise that Justin was hearing. Thankfully in this box I've got a spare. Noticed something today. I was getting the trans in. Kai helped me get the hood back on. And we're like, man, why is that wearing like that? And why is the hood cracked right there? See, it looks like the engine is moving. Yeah. And then came right under here. And there is no bolt in that hole. No bolt in the hole. There's one on this side. You can clearly see that engine mount is bent a little bit. We've been flexing the engine. That's interesting. Yeah? So the more I look at this, the more I realize that the engine flexing is exactly what's been caused. Look at this. The TPS sensor has been hitting the hood. Look at it, it's broken. I never even noticed that before. I don't know why I never noticed that before. That's crazy. This, oh yeah, loosey-goosey. Yeah, the whole engine's been rocking back and forth. What the hell? No wonder. No wonder why. Yeah. No wonder why this is loose. Not, look at it, he said, just turns by hand. But also explains why it's bent. Why the threads on that are bent. Like it's literally the bolt's bent. And that also explains why the hood's cracked right here and right here. And more than likely also explains why we broke transmissions. Because of a missing engine mount bolt and everything flexing under load. And then the engine moves. Yeah. The engine moves and the transmission stays on the poly mount back there. It flexes and the drive shaft. I'm assuming that's probably why we've been having so many issues. That's insane. I don't know why I didn't notice it until now. One more debacle checked off the list. Bolt with a nylock nut on there. Drivetrain back in. Ready for Vegas. Not sure if I told you guys or not, but this car and me are going to go to Vegas for SEMA. Not because of this though. Because of the drag racing trees that my company built. So. If you want to check those out, I'll have a video coming on those probably later this week. But as usual, it's late. I got to get my little one to bed. Drive fast, take chances. See you guys soon.